Hey everyone, welcome back to Movies Allies. Today we will be discussing some new cool evidences that prove that Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield are going to be in Spider-Man No Way Home. Now we already have a lot of tough evidences and rumors that already confirm that Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield are going to be in Spider-Man No Way Home. Spider-Verse is already confirmed to be in the movie because Jamie Foxx Electro is officially confirmed to be appearing in the movie. And Alfred Molina's Dr. Octopus is also confirmed by many multiple sources. Anyways, in this video, I will be discussing some new evidences that Warren Thompson reported on his YouTube channel. Before we get into further details, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are a Marvel fan, be sure to subscribe because we always talk about Marvel here. So after all these rumors, we are 100% confirmed that Spider-Verse is going to happen in Spider-Man No Way Home. So according to reports, Tobey Maguire from Sam Raimi's Spider-Man is spotted in New York these days. Simultaneously, Andrew Garfield was also spotted in New York. Now Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield in the same city can be a coincidence. But get this, Tom Holland is also in New York right now. All three of the Spider-Mans are currently in New York doing something, and that might be very big. If Marvel and Sony are planning to use them in marketing stuff, then they might introduce them in teaser trailer. Because if they officially announce their presence in the movie, then they might well as introduce them in trailers. If Sony is looking to hit $1 billion mark with this movie, then they will need other Spider-Man to be in promotions and marketing of the movie. Even though it will be a good surprise in theaters, but for the people to come into theaters, you need promotion. We have been already confirmed that trailers are already submitted to the cinemas and they will be released probably with Black Widow. Hopefully that happens, but the wait is getting late and late every day. A fan spotted Tobey in streets of New York. He came up to him and asked him for a selfie. He uploaded that selfie on his Instagram and it looks pretty real. A guy asked him in comment section if he asked Tobey Maguire about his appearance in Spider-Man No Way Home. He said Tobey replied, "I cannot talk about this." He also said he winked and smiled at him while saying that. So this is pretty suspicious that he winked and smiled. If he was not in the movie, he would have straight up rejected it. He would have said, "No, I'm not in the movie, please don't force me into the movie." But if he's in the movie, he have to say these type of things that I cannot talk about it right now. He cannot say no because it's a lie and it will eventually come out in future. And he cannot directly say yes because he has already signed a contract to not to say anything. So that is why he said I cannot talk about this. He didn't want to break so many fans' heart by just saying no. Now there's a possibility that this person could be lying, but the photograph he posted is very real. And we can only assume that the conversation this person posted is also real. If this person made this thing up, he would have straight up said, yes, Tobey Maguire confirmed that he is in the movie. Another confirmation for their return is Cinema Blend in Russia uploaded this post on their Instagram account. The post was in originally Russian and it is translated. It says that one of the most powerful anticipated films, the joint projects of Sony and Marvel, Spider-Man No Way Home, will appear on the screens this year, and this trio will fight to unite evil. Are you looking forward to the stunning cinematics, and which Spider-Man is your favorite? So this was posted with a picture of Andrew Garfield. Remember, this is a marketing post for Spider-Man No Way Home, and this post was deleted from its original Instagram after some time. So definitely it is true. That is why Marvel asked them to remove the content. So that is it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Till then, be happy and peace.